Let's take a look at a few terms you need to know in sales. An account is a customer or prospect with whom a salesperson is working to build a business relationship. B2B or business to business is sales that involves the sale of products or services from one business to another. B2C, business to consumer sales, involves the sale of products or services from a business to individual consumers. The benefit is the positive outcome or advantage that a customer gets from using a product or service. Branding is the process of creating a unique image or identity for a product or company. The budget is the amount of money that a customer has available to spend on a product or service. Business development is the process of identifying new business opportunities and building relationships with potential customers. A buyer persona is a fictional representation of the ideal customer based on demographics, behavior, and other characteristics. A call to action is a statement or button that prompts a potential customer to take action, such as buying a product or signing up for a newsletter. The churn rate is the percentage of customers who stop using a product or service over a given period. The closing ratio is the percentage of leads or prospects that a salesperson successfully converts into customers. A cold call is an unsolicited phone call or visit made by a salesperson to a potential customer. A commission is a percentage of the total sales price that a salesperson receives as a reward for making a sale. A competitive analysis is the process of identifying and analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of competitors in the market. The conversion rate is the percentage of leads that converts into customers. A CRM is a customer relationship management software that helps salespeople to manage customer information and interactions. The customer acquisition cost is the total cost of acquiring a new customer, including marketing and sales expenses. Customer relationship management is the practice of building and managing relationships with customers to increase sales and customer loyalty. A database is a collection of customer information that can be used for marketing and sales purposes. A decision maker is the person who has the authority to make purchasing decisions for a company or an organization. A demo is a product demonstration or presentation that showcases the features and benefits of a product or service. Direct mail is marketing or sales materials that are sent directly to customers through the mail. A discount is a reduction in price that is offered to customers to incentivize them to make a purchase. Distribution is the process of getting products or services to customers, including shipping, storage, and delivery. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online. Email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services to customers. Follow-up is the practice of contacting a potential customer after an initial meeting or conversation to continue the sales process. Forecasting is the process of predicting future sales based on historical data and market trends. A funnel is a visual representation of the sales process that shows the different stages that a customer goes through before making a purchase. Inbound marketing is a marketing strategy that focuses on attracting potential customers through content marketing, social media, and other inbound channels. Inside sales is the practice of selling products or services over the phone or internet rather than in person. A lead is a potential customer who has expressed interest in a product or service, often through a website or other marketing channel. Lead generation is the process of finding and attracting potential customers to a business. The market share is the percentage of total sales in a particular market that is earned by a particular company or product. An objection is a concern or question raised by a potential customer that needs to be addressed in order to close a sale. The pipeline is the list of potential customers that a salesperson is currently working on converting into paying customers. The price point is the specific price at which a product or service is sold. Prospecting is the process of identifying potential customers who may be interested in a product or service. The quota is a sales goal that a salesperson or team is expected to meet over a specific period of time. A referral is a recommendation or introduction made by a satisfied customer or a potential customer. The ROI, the return of investment, is the profit or financial return that is generated by a particular investment. The sales cycle is the process of selling a product or service from initial contact with a potential customer to closing the sale. A sales funnel is a series of steps or stages that a potential customer goes through before making a purchase, from awareness to consideration to decision making. A sales pitch is a persuasive presentation made by a salesperson to a potential customer in order to convince them to make a purchase. The sales process is the specific steps or stages that a salesperson follows in order to close a sale. The sales strategy is the overall plan or approach that a salesperson or team uses to generate sales and achieve their goals. The sales territory is a geographic area or customer base that is assigned to a particular salesperson or a particular team. Solution selling is a practice of selling products or services based on the needs and problems of the customer, rather than the features and benefits of the product. The target market is a specific group of customers that a product or service is designed for and marketed to. A testimonial is a statement or endorsement made by a satisfied customer about a product or service. A trade show is an event where businesses in a particular industry showcase their products or services to potential customers. An upsell is the practice of offering more expensive or advanced versions of a product or service to a customer who is already making a purchase. The value proposition is the unique value or benefit that a product or service offers to a customer. A warm lead is a potential customer who has expressed interest in a product or service and is more likely to convert into a paying customer. A white paper is a detailed report or analysis of a particular topic or problem, often used to educate potential customers about a product or service. The win-loss analysis is the process of analyzing the reasons why a sales opportunity was either won or lost. The 30, 60, 90-day plan is a specific plan or strategy that outlines the goals and tasks that a salesperson or team will accomplish in the first 30, 60 or 90 days on the job. The call blitz is a concentrated effort by a sales team to make a large number of sales calls in a short period of time. The elevator pitch is a short, persuasive presentation that can be made in the time it takes to ride an elevator, used to quickly and effectively communicate the value of a product or service. The sales collateral is the marketing materials and tools such as brochures, flyers, and presentations.